just to show you before and after. I'm here just getting rid of all this loose rusted crap, and I don't know what I'm going to do afterwards. I think I'll just paint it with some heat-proof paint, but it's not in bad nick, this. So little bit of a wire brush up and clean out, and then we'll rebuild it. We just had a lot of weather, which was really rather mild all over Christmas and stuff, and it was 14 degrees, 12 degrees, heady stuff. So I've chosen to come back to the boat to do the hearth this week, and it's dropped to -3. So that's great, isn't it? Yeah, never mind. It's all good. Right, just want to bring you in on this. This is the hearth, which I built last time round, and now we're looking to tile it. So what I got is these little aluminium end pieces, which are 15 high. So what I'm trying to achieve is a lip all the way around the bottom of the hearth, so that if any liquid does fall into here, it's kept within the hearth. So the idea was to try and use this stuff, which is a 15mm lip or 15mm edge, and the idea being that hopefully that should be just a bit wider than the tiles and the cement. So we might get a little, it's not going to be much, it's literally going to be like 2 or 3 millimeters, but that should be enough, hopefully. And once I trim the floor down, this sides, or these sides should sit down to come level with the aluminium bit there. So all that's the theory, and yeah, it's all been. I've cut it all up, managed to cut it all up this afternoon, so should just be able to throw it together. But I need to trim out the floor first, and these are the tiles that are going to go on the wall. Right, I've mixed up now with some heat-proof cement, and yeah, I'm just going to throw it all together again. Now I'm going to start by doing the top, and then I'll build the sides around it. I think I've got one cut to make, but that's when I know for definite the length side to side. Oh yeah, just thought I'd show you condensation problems. That is, yeah, that is without a bung, and that is with a bung. Virtually no condensation, which is good. And then I touch the metalwork and it's actually frozen. Oh man, It's cold today. Boiler kettle to defrost the tile cutter. Ah yes, solid. Oh well. Kettle on. I'm no tiler. That's what I've decided. But I think kind of achieved what I wanted. There was a slight lip all the way around the edge here, which will keep fluid in. If we do get a diesel leak or something, it'll just keep it onto the hearth. And yeah, I think it looks alright. It's okay. Kind of oldie traditional type tiles. I'll get back to home in a little while and get on with sorting out the fire that's going to go in here, because judging by the last few days, absolutely do need another heat source that's just constantly on, rather than the central heating, which can run for sort of maximum of 2 hours, then you have to give it a rest. Not got a thermostat that you can just set and leave and be at a comfortable temperature. And also the amount of condensation that you get is, well, just quite scary with me in here and doing nothing more than making cups of tea and stuff. It's like dripping from the ceiling vents, not the ceiling vents, the dripping from the skylights and and the portholes. And I think if we had a fire in here going, you're sucking the wet air from inside the cabin and heating it up and throwing it out the chimney. So you're kind of circulating the air around and drying it out. So I'm hoping that will mean less condensation if we have a fire going all the time here, burning in the cabin here. But yeah, well, we'll just wait and see. I need to get out. Need to sort out the chimney regulations. What I need for this diesel fire and where it's going to go through the roof, because we have got a ceiling vent, not a ceiling vent. What I keep calling it a ceiling vent. We have got a ceiling light there, so I'm hoping that there's enough room for it to go between here and where the mast is. Anyway, all right, that's all to report today, I think. And it started to rain again. It's been pretty miserable weather, really, all in all. Haven't even seen my swans, honestly.